Mick Shivers, a 20-year-old pre-med student at Brown University, was committed to helping a man he didn't know. The plan was to donate his stem cells, but things weren't going as planned. The standard approach wasn't working. Staff at the Rhode Island Blood Center were trying to extract stem cells from Shivers' blood. They tried 13 times but couldn't get enough to take to the veins in his right arm. After so many attempts, most people might call the whole thing off. It was, after all, an anonymous donation for someone he might never meet. There was another option: place a small tube near the entrance of his heart by inserting it through a vein in his chest or neck to get the blood that way. But there were no facilities in the area with an opening for that particular procedure, called a central line. And there was a third method, a bone marrow harvest. But this surgical procedure is more invasive and comes with a longer recovery time compared to the other methods. It involved extracting bone marrow from his pelvis, a thought that scared him a little. But Shivers was determined. He had signed up to be a donor in the spring of 2021 and was found to be a match for a patient in February. He wanted to see it through. "I want to think him a good person, like, I am a good person, right? That's what I tell myself." This was a case where that was being tested, Shivers says. He thought about the patient, an elderly man battling leukemia, waiting for his last, best chance at survival. "There's one right thing to do. You've got to do that." Stem cell transplants, also known as bone marrow transplants, are used to treat patients with leukemia, lymphoma, sickle cell anemia and other disorders. Studies are looking at their potential to treat Alzheimer's and spinal cord injuries as well. Stem cells are the base model for virtually every cell in the human body. So stem cells and stem cell donors are in high demand. Shivers signed up with the National Marrow Donor Program, better known as Be The Match, which partners with other organizations and connects doctors to potential donors. When the need for stem cells arises, patients first look to family members in hopes of finding a match, ideally a brother or sister.